have HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera audio control on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have audio control. You can say keyword like cheese to take a photo, or raise your voice to take a photo. Let's try saying keyword like cheese. Cheese. Maybe let's try front camera. Cheese. Cheese. I feel so dumb doing it. Cheese. Cheese. Well, I don't know, maybe I spell it wrong, maybe my language is so poor, but it should work. Let's try just saying something loudly. I speak loudly. Oh, and as you can see right now it works. So I don't know, maybe there's something with the way I spell cheese. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.